How could a potentially lethal drug that was banned in the USA remain on the European market for over 30 years? A pill named Mediator, made by French pharmaceutical company Servier, was prescribed as an appetite suppressant to over 5 million people across Europe. Studies suggest it led to between 500 and 2,000 deaths. It forced a rethink of EU rules.
When something happens in the US, we should be informed. That was not the case. When authorities in one member state decide not to give approval, or the company decides to withdraw approval, we should be informed. And the new regulation and the new directive will help us to much better understand and to react much faster.
New EU rules would close loopholes that had previously been exploited. An alert would go out across Europe automatically when the drug is removed in one country. When a company fails to renew a marketing license, it should trigger an urgency procedure. This would mean that Mediator would have been taken off the market when Italy flagged it to EU authorities back in 1998. Servier said it removed the drug for commercial reasons in Italy and Spain, not over safety concerns. MEPs want more transparency on the reasons for removal. Even though Mediator had been put on a list for further research into side effects, it took 8 years for Servier to complete its safety study. The EU has come up with a way to put pressure on companies to prove their product's safety.
If a drug company is asked to do a safety study on a medicine, that medicine will bear on the packaging a black triangle. And until that study is done, the black triangle remains so that patients and doctors know that this drug is subject to what we call additional monitoring.
But don't go looking for the black triangle just yet. The report will go to a vote in the next plenary in Strasbourg. MEPs are optimistic that an agreement can be made with member states to have the new rules on drug safety in force by the summer.